Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss a topic: what is the story behind how acupressure points were discovered. The discovery of acupressure points is rooted in ancient China and spans thousands of years. It didn't happen in a single dramatic movement, but evolved gradually through observation, trial and error, and deep understanding of human body. The Stone Age beginning. The earliest roots go back to Stone Age. Ancient people used Bian Shi sharpened stones to treat pain and illness. These stones were pressed or lightly punctured on specific areas of the body. Archaeologists have found Bian Shi stones in various parts of the China. People noticed that pressing or stimulating certain spots on the skin sometimes relieved pain in other parts of the body, reduced swelling, or improved overall well-being. This was the very first form of what we now call acupressure, pressure without needles, and acupuncture. One popular story says that warriors or hunters injured by arrows or stones sometimes experienced relief from unrelated chronic pains. Healers observed this and began experimenting with pressing or puncturing specific areas intentionally. Development during Shang and Zhou dynasties. Over time, people moved from rough stones to bones, bamboo, and later bronze tools. They started mapping which spots on the body gave the best results for different problems like headaches, digestion issues, pain, etc. This knowledge was passed down orally from healer to healer for centuries. The big breakthrough, Huangdi Neijing. The most important written record comes from the Han Dynasty period. The Huangdi Neijing, Yellow Emperor Inner Classic of Medicine, is the oldest surviving medical text that systematically describes meridians, which is the energy pathways in the body, Qi, which is the vital life energy that flows through these meridians, 100 of specific acupoints, which is a pressure points on the body. In this text, the Yellow Emperor asks questions and his minister Qi Bo explains the theory. It says that when Qi flows smoothly, a person is healthy. When Qi gets blocked or unbalanced, pain and illness appear. Pressing or stimulating the right points help restore the flow of Qi. This book laid the foundation for both acupressure, means using fingers or stones for pressure, and acupuncture, which is using needles. How points were actually discovered. Ancient healers discovered points through careful observation. They noticed that pressing certain tender spots on the body gave relief from pain elsewhere. Trial and error over generations. Meditation and inner sensing. Some Taoist practitioners claimed that they could feel the flow of energy in the body during deep meditation. Battlefield and accident observations. Injuries in one area sometimes relieved symptoms in another. Over hundreds of years, they created detailed maps of meridians and points. Eventually, over 360 main points were documented, corresponding roughly to days in a year. From acupressure to acupuncture. Acupressure, which is a finger pressure, came first with stones and hands. Later, as metal working improved, fine needles were developed, leading to acupuncture. But the underlying theory of points and meridians remained the same. So, summary of this in simple words. The discovery wasn't made by one genius in a lab. It was a slow, collective wisdom built by ancient Chinese healers over thousands of years through keen observation of the human body and nature. They found that body has natural switch points. When pressed correctly, these points can influence energy flow, reduce pain, calm the mind and restore balance. Even today, modern science is still studying how these points works. Nerves, blood flow, brain signals. But the results people experience remain remarkably consistent for thousands of years. If you like this video, please like and share, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.